today I am going to be making this little paper craft kit. I bought this probably over a year ago and I totally forgot it existed until I looked in my paper supply drawer and saw I had this in there. So I figured it'd be fun to make because I love crafts and I think it'll be nice looking on my shelf. So anyways, I will open this up and see what the pieces are. That is not the side you open, okay. Gosh, it's a cat! Look at the baby! So basically, the instructions just tell you to put pieces together. So I think I'm just going to cut everything out first, and I'm sure it should hopefully be fine to fix together. Unfortunately, I don't even own glue sticks anymore, which is tragic, so I guess I'll have to cut my pieces of tape to fit, but hopefully that'll be better anyways. This cat is so cute. You don't even see it. You don't even put it as advertisement. Why would you not? Why would you not show that you have a cat in your house? I think that's gonna make people 100% more so buy it. I'm trying to cut this carefully, and I know I'm not doing a good job. There's so many instances I want a paper cutter. I don't know why I just don't buy one, because honestly, I think it would be worth it. I try, like, I have a straight edge, and I'll use, like, a razor blade cutter, and even that doesn't work. Like, my ruler is so soft, I usually cut into it. So I should really just invest in a freaking paper cutter. Okay, so that's all the main pieces. I'm actually confused where this cat goes because it's not in a single image. Maybe it goes on the back, but then... Okay, yeah, it must go on the back because these pieces fold around. Okay. That's that. So step 1 just says assemble 1. So I guess we will fold these where it tells us to fold them. I don't want to mess this up. That's just, oh, it's so likely to happen. Alright. And then now it looks like the folds will come together behind it and you can tape it down. Unfortunately, I've kind of destroyed it, but it's okay. It's not horrible. I wish I had thought about the flaps a little more, but whatever. Okay. So next up, let's do, why don't we do the back wall, which is this. Or is it not? The drawing shows a white. It must just be this on the back, I'm guessing. Maybe I should tape. Alright, let's do the other wall. Okay. I hope. Then stay taped. Right there. Alright. Same thing here. Really cute. Like, look, this actually is gonna make a mini little table, and then you have the cloth covering around it. So like, it's realistic. It's so cute. No clue if this is how you're supposed to make this piece. I'm so, like, this is supposed to be a bowl, I think, but I'm so confused how it's supposed to go together. I think this is correct. It's a little hard though to like make a curve with this paper. Like, don't want to look too closely at this bowl if you're looking at this, you know? Here is a final look at the project. It is a completed house. Is it a shabby house? Yes. And I will admit, a lot of that is my fault. I'm heavy-handed in general, so when it comes to folding little pieces of paper, despite how nimble my fingers are, I just don't think this is something I could ever perfectly do. And I mean, I think for a lot of people it's gonna be hard to do it because the paper, it's like kind of a laminated, you know, cardstock type. So basically, if you make any folding mistakes, you're gonna see that. Or I was folding it, and just for me, like holding it a little too hard, you're gonna leave imprints in it. So it's really hard to get it perfect. I also wish that for some of these fold marks, they colored them differently. Like here, these fold marks obviously have to be on the outside because the inside's white and it's not colored. So I did it correctly, but the fold marks are bright white and there's no way you're gonna not see those. So I'm probably gonna color that up with a little bit of marker, but I wish those were a different color. Overall though, it was a really fun craft. I mean, it's only $2 and you're getting like a good 2 hours of making it. So I mean, I don't know what else to expect. I think it's really cool, and you know, with it being so cheap, I was very impressed that, you know, like the whole house is actually colored, like the back's not white or something. So I think that's really cool. And I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it could be better, but it's all right. It's a happy house with its crooked light fixture and its destroyed floorboards, but I made it, and that's what matters.